think I like when it rains.
All right, y'all, we back, and yes, it is still hot outside. So today we will be working inside because she just cannot do the heat. Anyway, so today I'm going to be canning up these tomatoes. I'm making some spaghetti sauce, pasta sauce, whatever you want to call it. Got Mr. Boots over here helping me washing the mason jars right now. We just processed a bunch of tomatoes last week. I canned 9 quarts. So I'm interested to see how many I get today. I think I'll probably get about maybe 12 quarts of spaghetti sauce. I don't know, but I'm gonna walk you guys through the process. So what I've done was I just cut them up. Some are cut up, some are whole. The ones that you see are cut up because they probably had some kind of blemish or something on it. Wasn't that pretty. But so you know, they're still good tomatoes. They still eat. Just cut it off. So anyhow, what you do is toss your tomatoes in here. We have a mixture of tomatoes. We have our big beefy slicers and our paste tomatoes. These Romas right here. The Romas are really good because they don't have as much liquid in it, and they cook down really good. They make a nice sauce. So just like the green pasta sauce, I'm gonna go ahead and put some garlic, some onions, all of that in here right now, some peppers, and just let it roast down slowly. I'll walk you guys through the process as I go, of course. I'm not gonna tell you how much of each seasoning to put in your sauce. Listen, it's your kitchen, your rules. I season until my ancestors tell me to stop. So what works for me, works for me. What works for you, works for you. So I'll tell you the ingredients as I go along, show you the ingredients rather, and it's up to you and your discretion how much you put in, but that's later on in the process. What you want to do is get your tomatoes in your roaster or your pot. You can cook these on the stove. You know, you saw in the last video I did the green tomatoes on the stove. But since we have so many tomatoes today, we're processing 22 pounds of tomatoes. I had to bring out the big dog, my big roaster, to get this done. All right, y'all, I'll keep y'all posted.